Hello everyone and welcome to day 1 of module 3 inside Microsoft Office training session, and we're going to take a look at Excel today. Now, as you can see here from our menu bar, again, just as we did in Word and PowerPoint, home, insert, page layout, many of the toolbar is similar and have similar functions. Here we have the cut, copy, and paste from clipboard, as we discussed previously. Now, what's different from in Microsoft Excel, as you can see at the bottom, we have here Sheet 1, Sheet 2, Sheet 3, and this is where we have each document, and we can switch from one page to the other, as opposed to Word, where we would use the toolbar or the scroll bar and scroll down from one page to the next. Now, from Insert, I'm going to click on Insert, and I'm going to do Insert a Table. I'm going to say OK. I'm just going to take this and drag it down, and then I'll take and drag it across. And as you can see, an instant table. There's a lot of different table styles. You can change colors, and I'll just leave this one purple. And as you can see here, you have A1, A2. Now, A1, name of the box, and right here, FX, the column bar. You can simply highlight, and you can start creating an instant table. So what I'll do is, I'll just start typing in Monday. And as you can see, it appeared here in column B. Now, as you can see here, by typing directly into this button, this key right here, the formula bar, it automatically incorporates what I'm trying to type down at the bottom. Now, a neat feature, as you notice, I'm doing the days of the week, but I stopped at Saturday. Therefore, by simply lining up and sliding this over here, it automatically read that I was doing the days of the week, and it jumped till Sunday. Now, going back to the home button here and back to the font bar, again, this controls any text I want to type. So by clicking on square B2, if I want to incorporate, let's say, study time, and then if I want to highlight that, if I want to bold it, italicize it, or underline it, it appears in the window there. Now, another feature here would be borders, and again, especially for graphs, you can create borders throughout your entire document. You can do no borders. You can do autofill. You can fill with colors. You can left align or center any document. Now, another useful feature when doing cells and with the cells in the table is the Format Table button. And this here allows you to take and change your outline for your table. Now, in the cells section over here is important because it allows you to insert, delete, or format any cells. And keep in mind, the cells is going to be the squares that's inside your actual table, and the alphabet that goes across correlates to the numbers going down the side. And with all Microsoft Office, there's also editing where you can do auto sum for if you're doing math or financial. There's a fill, clear, sort. You can sort from A to Z or Z to A, and that function can be seen here. If I take and type in, let's see, library, and then if we click on the sort, there we go, library jumped to the top and study dropped. So it alphabeticalizes your data. Now, by going back to the insert button and going to a new page, if we click on clip art, we can also insert pictures into our Excel, and we'll just scroll down. And by clicking on the picture, it immediately takes and pop up into our screen. And you can move your pictures around on the screen as well. And all the functions that's normally available that was seen in PowerPoint and Word, where you can create picture styles for the background. You can adjust your picture to picture change, reset, compress pictures. You can do the brightness and recoloring of the pictures. You can also arrange the pictures, the font selection, align, group, and rotate, and also the size. So if you're inputting a picture into a graph or chart, you can also align where you want the picture to fall. Keep in mind, anytime you want to add a new page, just simply click on the little icon at the bottom, and it creates a new sheet for you. And here you see Smart Art again. There's columns, line, pies, or any type of graph you want to choose to create, which is also great for school. You can add links, text box, header, footer, word art, signature line, and you just type your text in here. And these are great features. As teachers, these are a lot of opportunities for students to. So all these features here will be great to relate to students as they do projects, especially since all these different types of graphs, by double clicking on them, will appear. So it's just a matter of filling in the information. Now the page layout function again lets you set your margins, orientation, size, and your print area. You can also change the background image and print titles. There's also scale to fit for the printer, so it can print the way you want it to see. There's sheet options, and also the way you want to arrange or align your data. So just to recap, Microsoft Excel can be a fun tool where students can use to create their schedules. Teachers can create schedules. There's a lot of the same functions as far as inserting graphics, clip art, pictures can all be included. From the home key, there's a space for font for text, alignment, numbering, styles, and cells, so all of which can be typed directly onto the actual chart or on top of the function bar. Multiple pages, which can be seen down here at the bottom, can be created simultaneously, and also the page layout can also be reset at any time, and print can also be adjusted so it can print to different screens. As always, like Microsoft Word and Excel and PowerPoint, going down to the save or save as function is important. Keep in mind 97-2003, which can be viewed by most people. There's also other Excel links that can be used, and the PDF as well can be used to save as add-ins. Now this brings us to the conclusion of day 1 of module 3, and tomorrow we'll go into formulas, data, review, and view, and see how we can use Microsoft Excel and math. Thank you.